From the vibrant hues of their tiny bodies to their reputation as garden guardians, ladybugs have long captured the hearts and imaginations of people worldwide. These seemingly delicate insects possess an incredible resilience and a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The first thing that catches the eye when encountering a ladybug is their mesmerizing array of colors. From fiery red to sunshine orange, ladybugs radiate a palette that is both vibrant and captivating. However, these enchanting colors serve not merely as visual delights but as powerful warning signals to potential predators. These bold hues act as a visible deterrent, signaling to hungry insects and small animals that these tiny beetles are not to be trifled with. Ladybugs are not content to rely solely on their colorful attire for protection. They possess an arsenal of defense mechanisms that further deter unwanted attention. Their bodies are covered in a dense layer of tiny hairs, resembling a miniature protective shield. These hairs act as a physical barrier, discouraging curious insects and deterring small animals from attempting to consume them. When faced with a more persistent predator, ladybugs unleash their most potent defense, a pungent, foul-smelling liquid they release from their legs. This odoriferous substance, reminiscent of rotten onions, is highly distasteful and can effectively repel even the most determined predators. The foul smell serves as a chemical deterrent, warning potential attackers of the ladybug's unpleasant taste. Ladybugs are not merely passive defenders of their gardens, they are also active predators, playing a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance within the ecosystem. Their primary prey consists of aphids, tiny, sap-sucking insects that can wreak havoc on garden plants, disrupting their growth and weakening their defenses against disease. A single ladybug can consume hundreds of aphids in a day, effectively controlling aphid populations and protecting the health of garden plants. Ladybugs undergo a remarkable metamorphosis, transforming from delicate eggs into winged adults, ready to embark on their life's mission of predation and protection. The female ladybug lays her eggs in clusters on the underside of leaves, providing a protected environment for her offspring. These eggs hatch into tiny, alligator-like larvae, with a voracious appetite for aphids. These larvae undergo several molts as they grow larger, increasing their appetite and feeding efficiency. After completing their larval stage, ladybugs enter the pupal stage, transforming into a miniature, brown cocoon. Within this protective casing, the ladybug undergoes a remarkable transformation, emerging as a fully formed adult ladybug with wings ready for flight. These newly hatched adults are eager to join the ranks of their fellow ladybugs, continuing the cycle of predation and protection. Despite their beneficial role in gardens, ladybug populations are declining due to a combination of factors, including habitat loss, pesticide use, and the spread of diseases. To combat this decline, we must take proactive measures to protect these valuable insects. Planting a variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees provides ladybugs with a diverse habitat, ensuring they have an abundance of food sources and shelter. Avoiding the use of harmful pesticides is crucial, as these chemicals can harm ladybugs and their prey. By choosing organic or natural pest control methods, we can reduce the impact on these beneficial insects. Additionally, raising awareness about the importance of ladybugs can foster a more harmonious relationship with these remarkable creatures. By understanding and appreciating the vital role of ladybugs in our gardens and ecosystems, we can take steps to protect them and ensure their continued presence as our garden guardians. Together, we can safeguard these fascinating insects and maintain the delicate balance of our natural world.